Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you, and always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrate!
Happy birthday, Myrtle! It's your day and you must enjoy it for the rest of your day. And it's your 13th
Obey, you must obey our parents and we love them. What's your message?
chapter 13, volume 1.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate.
Ate Myrtle, love you.
Love you. Birthday! Bating lang! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Myrtle.
My dad,
Love you. Ayo. Happy birthday, Myrtle. It's your
13th age. 13th age.
It's your day and you must celebrate it and enjoy it. And because it's your chapter 13 and volume 1.
We love ya.
We love you.